I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in.
Hey everybody, it's Melissa from Melissanailzcliques. I just wanted to share with you guys today what I'm doing on my nails. They were bare for a couple days, which is very unlike me. So this is what I decided to do. I'm using from Beauty Big Bang, a purchase that I made. These are nail water decals, and these are super pretty. They're called the Floral Rose Skull Nail Water Decals, and they're only $1.59, guys. This is Beauty Big Bang. I'll put the website in the description, and as well as a discount code for you guys if you're interested. Now, these are super cute. I've been dying to use them. I was hoping to get my nails back on, but I didn't get time to do that yet, so I used these on my natural nails with just some gel polish, and the polish I used is the Azure, and that is CG51. It's a very, very pretty, like a flat pink. It goes really well with the floral skulls. And I just added a butterfly here just to kind of play it off, because this one does, if it'll focus, it does have a couple butterflies that are tiny in it. I left my pinky plain for now, and this one I did the fine glitter on it. I was going to leave it plain, but I wanted to see what it was going to look like, kind of like encapsulated with the gel top coat, and I think it looks really pretty, and it makes it smoother so it's not like rough. And this is my thumbnail, and I just added some little rhinestone crystals up where her crown was. I kind of had to cut off some of the crown, so I figured I'd put some rhinestones to just kind of play it off a little up there. I love these. They're so pretty. Okay, and so that is my left hand, and this is the sugar skull look on my pointer. I really love the way it looks. I'm not a big fan of the rough texture feel of it, but this I did with the Sexy Mix top coat. I just put this top coat on, and then I just used it was this pink fine glitter here. I just put it in a little top here, and I used this brush here, and I just kind of went like that, scooped it while the top coat was still wet. It wasn't cured, and you just place it all on there, stick it in your LED light or UV light, whichever one you have, cure that, and then you can dust it off. And sometimes you need 2 coats of it. You dust it off, make sure there's no like, I think this side here was missing a little corner, so I just did it a little bit more, put a bit more on top, and then cured it again, and it covered very, very well. I love the look of the sugar skull. Isn't that gorgeous? You see the difference. This one here is encapsulated and this one isn't. I love the look of them. I like both equally. But yeah, those are the 2 pointers that I did with the glitter, and it plays off really well with these decals. It's so shiny that there it is. It's so shiny it doesn't want to really pick up. There it goes. Now I just have to do the decal on my ring finger, and then I should be all set. Oh, I have to do the stones on the skull here, the crown. Give her a little rhinestone crown. So I'll get those done, and I'll show you guys some pictures. I hope you enjoyed this look. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Oh, darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, or listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry cheer.